In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Chrome extensions in Yandex browser. It's actually fully supported and super useful, so let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the entire process. First things first, you'll want to open up Yandex browser on your device. Once you have it open, navigate over to the menu where you'll find an option labeled Extensions. Head there. And this is where the journey of adding powerful functionalities to your browser begins. Now, when you're on the Extensions page, take a scroll down to the bottom where you'll notice a link for the extension catalog. Go ahead and click on that. From there, you'll be directed to a section where you can access the vast array of tools and functionalities available. If you wish, you can directly visit the Chrome Web Store, which is similarly compatible with Yandex, or use the Opera catalog as another option to browse through extensions. These catalogs offer a plethora of extensions, ranging from productivity boosters to ad blockers and everything in between. So, take your time to search and find the extension that perfectly meets your needs. Once you've zeroed in on the extension you'd like to add, click on the extension to open its dedicated page. Here, you should find a button that says Add to Yandex Browser. Give that button a click, and it will prompt you to take the next key step in the process. Before the extension is installed, a window will pop up asking you to review the permissions the extension requires to function. It's crucial to read through these permissions carefully, so you know exactly what kind of access the extension will have. If everything seems in order, and you're comfortable with the permissions requested, go ahead and click Confirm to proceed with the installation. After a few moments, once the extension is successfully installed, you'll notice its icon has appeared neatly next to the address bar, which is also known in Yandex as the Smart Box. This strategic placement allows you to easily access your newly installed extension whenever you need it, enhancing your browsing experience. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to install Chrome extensions on Yandex browser. With these new tools at your disposal, you can customize your browsing experience exactly to your preferences, adding powerful ad blockers, helpful productivity tools, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you next time.